Our initial reaction is just wondering what this even means. The terms that the president has used are not actually defined in policy or law. We have seen official statements from USCIS in the last 2 days as well that do indicate specific directives, although we are still learning how they would actually be implemented. So the administration's measures to create these policies in response to one person's actions, it's really a form of collective punishment. That's how we see it. They are very clearly weaponizing this tragedy involving one person to build on their existing immigration agenda, which has already been restrictive, which has already led to a lot of indefinite pauses in processing. So this is really illogical from our perspective. It doesn't actually achieve safety. What we're really seeing is that our community members are facing fear and uncertainty. They're facing limbo in their own status and their family reunification cases, and in many other ways. And what we see is that the result of that is a really negative impact on all of our communities. These are our neighbors, these are people that we work with, these are people that go to the same schools as our children. And as with all of the other measures that this administration has taken towards increasing immigration enforcement, this will result in people missing school and missing work, and facing a lot of fear. So it's really disproportionate. It's not an appropriate response to an individual um, instance, and it will only increase harm rather than increasing safety. So this is a situation where there's one individual responsible, as far as we know, and it's important to wait for all of the facts that come from official investigations. And that's not where my expertise is or my organization's expertise is. But what we do know is that the immigration process that people go through, particularly refugees, asylum seekers, is one that includes the highest level of vetting out of any process, really, even around the world. And the things that we demand as immigration advocates include increased information sharing across federal agencies, and all these kinds of measures that would really only increase overall security in these kinds of processes. And so our demands really align with what the experts say in terms of achieving national security.